Let me place an order and see whether we get the order details over the Slack or not. So right here I'm going to buy this product, that is Blur's Affair cord set. So here I'm going to buy it now. And now we are on the checkout page which I'm going to fill. So right here I have filled the checkout page providing the email address, first name, last name, the address, and here I have provided my payment details as well. Now let's make the payment, and here you can see that my order has been successfully placed. Now let's move on towards my Slack account to check for the new message regarding this order. So right here I'm on my Slack account where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message, and this message consists of the same name of the user, the same email address which I have just entered, the same product which I have just bought from my Shopify store, and the pricing of that product. So now you can also create this automation for sending order details to your Slack channel so that you can notify your team instantly. And now you don't have to manually check for these order details, and now this is going to help you to make your business process more smoothing. So now let me show you how I have created this automation by using one and only automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an automation tool that can integrate varieties of applications and automate your entire business task. And for using it, you don't require any coding or technical skills. So now let's move on towards the workflow page and create this automation using our Pabbly Connect. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. And this discount coupon code will provide you the heaviest discount compared to other coupon codes. So make sure to use it. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So triggers are first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I receive a new order over my Shopify. So here I'm going to search for my trigger application, that is going to be this Shopify. Now let's select this app event as new order. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and now we are getting this webhook URL to build the connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect so that we can fetch the order details or order received over your Shopify. And right here I'm on my Shopify account where we just have to go towards the settings. And right here we are on this page where you just have to select this option of notifications, and here we are getting this option of webhooks where we have to create our webhook by simply selecting this create webhook. Now let's select the event as order creation, as I want to initiate my this workflow as soon as an order is created over my Shopify. Now let's add the webhook URL which we have received and save it. And here you can see that my webhook has been added successfully. Now I'm going to move towards my Pabbly Connect where you can see it is waiting for the webhook response. Now as we have added this webhook to our Shopify, let's move on towards my Shopify store and make a new purchase and see whether we get the data over the Pabbly Connect or not. So right here I'm going to buy this product, that is butterfly necklace, and here I'm on the checkout page which I'm going to fill. So here I have filled the checkout page providing this email address, the first name, last name, and here you can check out the rest of the details and the payment details as well. Now let's make the payment by simply selecting this pay now button, and here you can see that my order has been successfully placed. Now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect to check for this order detail. So right here, I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where 2 seconds ago we have received this response, and this response consists of all the details of the order, which we have just placed over a Shopify store. So right here, you can check out the item pricing, the total amount of the order, and here you can see my user's details as well, such as its name, its email address, and its address too. So now as we have received the order detail, I'm going to post this order detail over my Slack to notify my team regarding this particular order so that they can process it quickly. So here I'm going to choose my first action application, that is going to be the Slack, where I'm going to notify my team. So right here I have selected this application. Now let's select the app event as send channel message. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are on the connection page, where if you want to build a new connection, then you have to select this button of add new connection. Now let's connect with Slack, and here we have to enter the token. So for getting the details of entering this token, you can visit this documentation given over the help desk, or either you can enter your token type as user or bot. So here I'm going to enter my token type as user. Now let's save it, and here I'm going to allow the access, so I'm going to just click over this allow button, and now our connection has been built in, and we have to select the channel ID. So right here I'm going to select my channel ID as orders received. So here I'm going to search for it. So here we are getting this channel ID which I have selected. Now on this next field, it is asking me to enter the message which we are going to send to our Slack channel. So here I'm going to enter the message. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my Slack channel, and here after this word customer, I'm going to enter my customer's name. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from my Shopify, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select the field and the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application, that is Shopify, from where I'm going to map the name of my user. So right here you can see that we are getting the name of the user which I have mapped. Now let's map the email address. So here I'm going to search for the email which can be seen here. Now let's map the name of the item which my user has just bought. So here I'm going to search for the name of the item, and here you can see that we are getting the name which I have mapped. Now let's map the total pricing, or the total amount of the order. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, which are going to replace with every new single order received over your Shopify. Now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. So let's click over the save and send test request, which is providing me a positive response. So now let's move on towards the Slack account and check for it. So right here you can see that we are getting this message, and this message consists of all the details of the user and the details of the order. So now you can also notify your team regarding the orders received over your business by just creating this automation, and this will help you to reduce all your manual workload, because now you don't have to manually check for the orders received, and you don't have to manually notify your team regarding these orders. And now this will make your business process more smoothing. So now what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.